Now we are going to create the last charts here, the distribution per KPI. We're going to do the following. So here we go to calculations, here at the end, we're going to do this. We're going to first of all select this, Ctrl Shift, format painter, and we're going to do this for 5 cells. Painter, okay, double click, okay, here we are. Then this one is going to be equal to this one, etc. At this point here, I'm going to format as this one, format this one, okay. I'm gonna save this. I'm going to the dashboard here. I create a cell here with this border, okay. I type, for example, 2, and in calculation here is here I can click on this, okay, search for product, okay. Like this, okay, search for product, and we have this. Then okay, the format of this is this one, or even like this, no matter what. Then here I'm going to find, okay, use the function find this one in this part. I'm gonna check for one of these product, okay, and the start is, and then I do this multiply, this being greater than 0, multiply in brackets one of this, okay. I'm going to select, okay, this. Yeah, I found an error, so I will do this if error, okay. I will return not applicable, okay, not applicable. So you can see here to the absolute reference name contains this substring, and we're going to look for the value in those columns. So I'm going to multiply. If it is found, I will have 1. If it is not found, I will have 0. So I'm going to get the line. This is, for example, if I found this and the product is this, I will get this, because I'm in this area will be the one which has this value. Otherwise, this will be 0, and this, of course, no matter which value, this will be 0. Okay, so we're going to do this. Okay, it's all absolute. Okay, then I'm going to select all now. So I'm going to find the products which have 2 inside. We copy all these functions. You see, if I'm going to change this value according to this function here, this substring, I'm going to get the value here in this table. This is the array that I'm looking for this value for, and is basically a value that I found here in my okay. So you can see here. Okay, then I get here those products containing the string 6. Okay, I'm going to save this now. Okay, now in the next video we'll show you how to make the single charts.